Ah, yes, alcohol. Perhaps the best way to forget about the fact that your girlfriend cheated on you with your uncle, and his son, and their neighbor at your birthday party. Humans have been drinking alcohol to forget about their problems for thousands of years. Alcohol and humans go together like peanut butter and jelly, cops and donuts, Pete Davidson and vagina. But how is it possible to take a classic tradition and make it even better? Borg, that's how. Borg is the coolest new trend that is sweeping the TikTok generation and creating a strong future for liver disease. Let me explain. Borg stands for Blackout Rage Gallon. It is a type of drink that people make by taking a gallon of water, pouring out about half of it, and replacing it with hard liquor. After that, you toss in some type of powdered or liquid flavoring, and possibly some type of hydration powder, or maybe even both. The finishing touch is writing on the container some type of cooler, catchy name to make it your own, usually referencing the Borg name. Puns earn you bonus points. Now that you have your Borg, you can walk around the party and not have to worry about somebody slipping something in your drink and having fun with your holes. Nor do you have to worry about finding more alcohol when you run out, because more than likely you won't run out because you're drinking out of a gallon jug. You no longer have to worry about the normal problems somebody would expect to face when you are trying to get hammered. I mean, aside from liver disease. No sir, you have your trusty Borg by your side. Plus, as an added bonus, when you finish your drink, it is a portable toilet. Yes, Borg is the ultimate drink. And ultimate trend on TikTok, where there are numerous posts about various recipes people have concocted and the clever names they have come up with to put on their jugs. Now, although Borg is considered a safer drink because you've mixed your alcohol with water and hydration powder, you still have to be careful while attempting to black out. Surprise, surprise. Just ask the University of Massachusetts. Only a few days ago, they reportedly had over 28 ambulances called because of alcohol poisoning because of people not knowing when to stop drinking their damn Borg. So remember kids, if you want to get liver disease, make sure you do it responsibly by posting about it on TikTok so all your friends can like it. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of alcoholism. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me about the time that you were the drunkest you've ever been. I would love to hear about it. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It helps me become a real boy. As always, thank you all so very much for watching. I'll catch you beautiful people next time. Wow. Wow.